Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you guys how I fill my brows. Usually I don't really do my brows on camera. It is because sometimes it takes too long. That's why I don't usually do them as I'm doing my entire face. So today I decided to show you guys what I use and how I do them. This is what I use: the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. This is what I use, and the shade is dark brown, and I use a spoolie, with an angled brush. And the last thing you're going to need is a concealer of your choice, and what I'm gonna use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. To fill my brows, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my spoolie and brush my brows in their natural shape. Make sure every piece of hair is on place. Then the second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna use the angled brush, and I'm gonna start with the end right here and proceed to the front. Just make sure you keep your natural brow shape. We don't want them to look fake, even though we are filling them. Usually after I use the entire product on my angled brush, that's when I go to the beginning of my brows and then use whatever is left so that my brows can look natural. And then I'm gonna use my spoolie and I'm gonna brush everything in. And based on how you like it, if you want to add more product, you can actually add more. But me, I don't want it to look too fake. I'm not gonna add too much. Going in, like filling all the little, anything that has no hair, you keep filling them in. So however you like it, just make sure you do it the way you like it. But me, I like when everything is filled in and still look natural, so that's why I keep going in and make sure the beginning looks as natural as possible. And then whatever is left in my brush, like I said, and I go back to it and do that. And now one more time, I'm gonna take my spoolie, I'm gonna brush everything in, and that's it. The next thing you need to do, grab a small brush. An angled brush will be fine, or a flat brush. Grab your concealer just so that you can clean it. Usually I clean both the top and the bottom, as you can see here. So now we're gonna clean these babies. Some people only clean the top or the bottom. You just do whatever you like, but me, I like to clean both the top and the bottom, so I'm gonna clean both of them. We are almost done. If you feel like they are slightly too big, you can always keep cleaning them like I'm doing here. Okay, and what I usually like to do, I usually like to take my finger and go around where I went with the brush. I like to take my fingers and clean as well. And then one more time, I'm gonna take that brush, go over everything. Well, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see any other things, let me know. I don't like skinny brows, so you might think they are a little too big, but I don't think they are too big for me because I like when they look like that. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any other questions or requests, just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.